What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol PLTR for Palantir Tech. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talked about it just yesterday on the earnings announcement, and certainly some blood in the streets from today's session. Big sell-side reaction to the downside here. Not only did it take out the 50 SMA and support trendline, it took out the 200 SMA and horizontal level we had at 2482, and it's kind of hanging out in no man's land in between two ranges as of right now. If we take a closer look at the 30-minute intraday time frame perspective, what you'll note about this from a pattern perspective at least is this is certainly a bear pennant, right? So to me, we're looking for downside continuation on the breakdown of either, there's two ways to play it, right? You could look for a breakdown of this support trend line, kind of this area like this, or if you're more conservative, just simply looking for a breakdown of this kind of shelf of support or the low of day. Again, that would just be the most conservative, noting that it's also a whole dollar, right? 24. A breakdown of that does put into play about 23.18, the double bottom from in here, and that would be the downside case inside of PLTR. Now, if it breaks out up and over the resistance trend line, is it just an immediate long? I would say no, okay? I would sort of start to be a little bit more skeptical, remembering that we broke through the 50 SMA support trend line, 200 SMA horizontal support, so the sellers are strong. There was not even a little bounce at this area. There was not even a little bounce at this area from the 30-minute perspective. So remember, the sellers kind of took control. Also look at the sell side volume here versus the consolidation volume, right? So certainly sellers did some damage to this name. I would be skeptical and kind of wait for a pattern to be put in for a bullish trade if it wants to resolve to the upside, but really waiting to see if this bear pennant resolves lower. We have the targets mapped out. Again, let's take out the fibs just to reiterate the weakness of this close coming from the high of the day down to the low of the day. Notice that the 38.2 was never even attempted on the initial dead cat off of the lows here. We fell short by, what is that, about 15, 13-ish cents. So to me, weak close. We are looking for downside continuation. In the post-market, we're trading 24.10 by 24.11. So certainly underneath the close of the day by about 10-ish cents, right? So to me, I've said that a number of times now, but basically looking for follow through to the downside. It's as simple as that inside of PLTR. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.